Welcome this video. Gardening depth idea transforming your outdoor space with style. A well designed gardening depth can transforming even the simplest outdoor area into a rustic charm entrance zone or elegant of your home. Whether you have a smart gardening or a scrolling backyard depth add both functional and aesthetic value with a wide various of material style and functional to choose for gardening. Depth idea can be trend to sub your need personally and entertain. To explore a collect of gardening depth idea for maximizes design to lush layout that will inspire your next gardening make out. Classic wood depth wood depth remain one of the most popular due to its natural appearance and various software like pin and budget friendly. Family while hardwood such as test, Cleburne and IPO often gardening durable and research fine type wood regulated to productive again board and scratch add a funtrain often its natural color or enhance its gum. Complement the depth with wood gardening functional and pots plants compost depth for low main interest compost depth is made for a Max of wood make its height to weather warm, inspire its idea for homeowner. How went the look of wood without the upkeep, resisting surface, sand requested come in a various of color with textile paints its with scrolling modern functional and LED lights for a contemporary look. Multi-level tab. Multi-level tab is a smart way to define space area in your gardening. You can have a dining area on one left, range zone on other, and a rustic platform for a hot tub for fire pit. Benefit: make good use for surface or even gardening. Incorporating step rain or plants to connect the level beautiful. Depth with built-in sitting. Built-in branch or sitting area make your depth more functional and style. Then perfect for smart gardening, warm